In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card or debit card from your Google Ads account. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your Google Ads account in your web browser. Make sure you're in the correct account where you want to manage payments, especially if you have access to multiple accounts. Once the account loads, look for the billing area. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see billing in the left-hand navigation menu or as an option in the top navigation. Go ahead and click Billing to open your billing dashboard. Inside Billing, find and select Payment Methods. This page is where Google Ads lists every payment option associated with your account. You'll see your credit or debit cards displayed with their brand and the last 4 digits, along with details like expiration dates. Take a moment to identify the exact card you want to remove. It's a good practice to double-check the last 4 digits so you don't remove the wrong card by accident. When you've located the card you want to take off the account, look for the Remove button next to that card. Click Remove. After you click it, the card will be taken off your Google Ads account and will no longer be used for future charges. In many cases, the card will disappear from the list immediately, indicating the change has gone through. If you still see it, refresh the page to confirm it's been removed. A few quick tips to help you avoid hiccups. If you don't immediately see the billing or payment methods options, try expanding the main menu or switching to a desktop browser window for a clearer layout. If the Remove button appears unavailable for a specific card, it can be because of account requirements or recent billing activity. In that situation, review any notices on the page that explain why the button isn't clickable. Also, remember that removing a card only affects future charges. It won't change or refund past payments. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Ads account, click Billing, go to Payment Methods, review the list of cards, and click Remove next to the one you no longer want on file. Keeping your payment methods up to date helps prevent interruptions in your campaigns and keeps your billing organized. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you make the change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.